Today's Tuesday tip is on teaching students how to use voice typing because we know it's not just about the tool, but it's also about learning to compose with your voice. No matter which speech to text tool we use, whether that's voice typing in Google, or Dictate in Microsoft, or dictation in iOS or Mac, we need to invest in some high quality mics with noise canceling technology. We also need to understand that writing with your voice is a process. The student needs to think about their topic, mentally compose a sentence, hold that sentence in memory, turn on their mic, say the sentence with clear enunciation, turn off the mic, check their work for accuracy, and then they need to fix any errors they have identified. Daniel Cochran and Kelly Keys created a guide for K-12 educators on how to teach speech recognition. I'll put the link to this guide with this Tuesday tip. For more information on how to teach your students how to use voice typing effectively to express their ideas, check out the recorded webinar on speech recognition as AT for writing. I'll put the link with this Tuesday tip